IICS definitely would have been a big hit and a big step up, that we would have got the courage and encouraged ourselves much more earlier in life than we did much later.
They can start their career in many other fields, and there's a lot of things like they can get into influencing, they can get into creativity, a lot of sound thing. You told me it's vast thing.
These institutions are helping people and newcomers, and they're giving this field in many ways an opportunity to them.
I appreciate you guys, and my heartily wishes and congrats to with you start a very huge academy at in the middle of Delhi.
Welcome. This is Pooja Arora with Media and Entertainment Skills Council, and we all are here at Indian Institute of Creative Skills. So today we have with us Mr. Rahul Prabhakar and Miss Alisha Khanna. They all, the both of them are amazing content creator. So Miss Khanna, tell me about your journey and how do you think if you would have given the opportunity to learn from institution like Indian Institute of Creative Skills, how well or how much difference would that have made to your life?
Okay, so first I'll introduce myself so that the audience can know better. This is Alisha Khanna, and I'm a 42-year-old legacy real estate person in South Delhi. And my firm was Khanna Associates, started by my father. I'm also an advocate. I joined him around 10 years back. And today, of course, I've taken it to another level because of social media. In fact, being an influencer, being with brands like Gores, Eltico, Godrej, I've collaborated with all of these, and they have called me as an influencer to promote their particular properties, their projects that are coming up. So, in terms of that, I would like to say that when you get to learn this professionally as an exception, because till now, till date, I don't think there are any courses or any particular institutes that specialize in teaching you how to become more creative, how to become more camera friendly, and of course, other things. IICS definitely would have been a big hit and a big step up, that we would have got the courage and encouraged ourselves much more earlier in life than we did much later. So I started this journey around 2 years back when I took everything of this 40 years legacy to a social media platform by the name of South Delhi Properties and Alisha Khanna. But it would have been more a fantastic opportunity wherein something like a professional portal would have helped us in guiding us in our postures, in the way we should be, in how we should be speaking, and a lot of different skills. Definitely, when we learn professionally from our people who are much ahead of all these professions, like we are hearing out here, that there are going to be mentors here who are going to teach us basics. I'm sure it's a win-win situation for anyone to join over here.
I'm glad. Thank you. Thank you. And Mr. Rahul Prabhakar, your journey starts with food, and we all love food. So, would love to understand from you how would that make a difference in your life if you would have got the opportunity to study under the industry mentors at the Indian Institute of Creative Skills?
Okay, so I have a backstory to share before I can answer that question. So I was based in South Korea in 2006, and at that point in time, the internet has just started to be known across the world, and internet speed, as you know, in Korea was extremely high. So when I started my blogging journey, I started as a writer. I used to write on the blog, and obviously I was not very skilled. So it started with me basically telling everyone about the places that I was traveling, places that I was eating out, and obviously my folks back home got to know a little bit about my life in Korea. So that's how I started my blogging journey. But then I realized that once I started writing, expats in Korea, they were really interested in the work that I was doing. And I got a lot of traction that, hey, Rahul, could you help us find, good places to eat, good places to travel within Korea? And I was like, oh my God, this is like fantastic. So, if I had something like this back then, I think I would have really accentuated my reach to another level because this setting that we have right now within your studio, it could have made my content look more professional. Obviously, I was doing writing, but I could have then leveraged video content, which could have really accentuated my content to another level. So I think this is a fantastic thing that you've started.
Thank you so much. With this, I would like to understand how do you guys balance your life, like being on reel and then being real.
Real and real. So for honestly, for real estate, for something like property and for this sort of a field, we have to be real on reels. We cannot just do a different setup there and a different setup here. But nonetheless, yes, when we're out for the shoots, when we're out promoting brands, their properties, their real estate, definitely there has to be a little more decorum that has to be adapted to in our lifestyle, in the way we are, and the way we speak, and all those things. I totally agree to that. But information wise, if you say that, then we'll have to be crystal clear. Otherwise, we would leave our or the audience would be diminished, and of course, we'll not have a very outgoing audience if our reels are not real in that term.
Yeah, I would second that. I think on social media, there's nowhere to hide. So even if you try to be someone else, your audience is going to catch that really, really quick. You got to be yourself. You got to be really excited about things you love and be passionately be telling it to your audience. And telling the truth, I think, really helps because it kind of forms a very good association with your readers. If you try to be, slimy, or if you try to just act pretentious, they are very, very quick to catch. So I think being real is the mantra, and that's the way forward for any creator who's trying to, create that niche for himself in this space.
We all are here at Indian Institute of Creative Skills, and along with me, I've got three beautiful ladies and lifestyle content creators. I've got Miss Beans Malhotra, Miss Kanchan Prabha, and Miss Gulafsha. So, I've seen your journey, I've seen your content, but would love to understand how this institution, like Indian Institute of Creative Skills, if you would have got the opportunity to study under the industry mentors and get the training on the job, how would that have make a difference in your career?
First of all, I'm Means Malhotra, and thanks a lot for a wonderful introduction. I'm a lifestyle influencer, hotelier, and blogger too. So, at the time I started, like after school, I was given very less options. Like you can go for jewelry designing, or you can go for interior designing, or fashion designing. At that time, we didn't had so many, options out there. But now, as it says in Indian Institute of Creative Skills, if I had that opportunity, I would have certainly got into this institute, because in this institute, students are given many opportunities. They can start their career in many other fields, and there's a lot of things like they can get into influencing, they can get into creativity, lot of sound thing. You told me it's vast thing. So now people out here have many options, and certainly it would have helped me then, because उस समय I was given this options, तो बहुत ही help होती.
So, hi, this is Kanchan. I'm Mrs. Confident Mrs. India 2017. So, today I'm really honored to be here, and I want to congratulate the whole team for this wonderful launch of this institution. And my view is when I started my journey, it was in 2017 when I went for a pageant, Mrs. India. So after that, I came into this line. So that time we were clueless and we were helpless. What to do, from where to start, and what should we do, how to create content and everything. We were clueless. So we started our own things. But now, if these institutions are helping people and newcomers, and they're giving this field in many ways an opportunity to them, it's really great, and they really help uh, these newcomers. So it's great to have such institution for these things, because now they will realize how to start. They will learn what to do and from where to start. So that's great and wonderful.
See you. Hi, my name is Gulafsha Qureshi, and as you know, I am a lifestyle influencer blogger, and I'm actor, and I'm pro makeup artist as well. I have done lots of celebrities makeup, and I appreciate you guys, and my heartily wishes and congrats to with you start a very huge academy at in the middle of Delhi.
Thank you so much for your time, but I'm not going to leave you here. I would love to understand from you guys, how do you balance between your real and real life?
Real and real life. Actually, it's a combo. As being a content creator, I don't pretend anything. So whatever I do in my real life, I post that. I don't go with the theory that fake it till you make it. I believe to stay authentic and promote whatever you're using or whatever you're doing.
And I run my own preschool, so my most of the contents are related to my school, and we are into influencing in blogging and modeling. So most of the contents related to our shoots, ram walks, and plus new launches, event launches. So it's related to that only. So it's real life.
I took so many girls are here and they will check every each and everything the detailings of this studio. There is a video gaming site area and I loved it because the newcomer and new kids are doing na so much, mobile as very normal thing as today. So people kids are also doing a very doing a very fastly. But I तो just कि कैसे करते हैं how are you do ना this app तो बच्चे भी इसको देखकर करते हैं तो I appreciate that.